Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Lock Screen. Over here, select Screen Lock Type and pick one of the options by clicking on the chosen one. Swipe, pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so now I will click on it. Then draw my pattern, tap Continue at the bottom right corner, draw it again and tap Confirm. Over here you can adjust notifications on your lock screen by clicking on one of these options or turn them off completely by tapping on the switcher next to On. When you're done, click Done. If you want to back up your pattern, tap on Agree and log in into your Samsung account. But now, to check out if it works, I have to turn off my screen and turn it back on. As you can see, no pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!